2024 bisini Julai talni puila shalmaribo hagotor bai bakra hastyo katal law kaitham tikhlaijakmani abongkha Indian Penal Code, Indian Civil Protection Code, Indian Evidence Rule o katal law rokno ti taklai bisio police rokni samungo te cherei naimungni samungo tamatam shepshap manbaikha te tamatam jungzal angbaikha aborogno ti koktisalo program bobono neo criminal law te NDPS Act rok ti workshop panda khlaileka haste police ni luaji mumbai aro thangmanjakika hastini montriokra Professor Dr. Manik Saha, Haste Police DCP Anurag Dherkor, Chief Secretary JK Sinha, State Home Secretary Khoboi Juda, Haste Police Tangfangrok Manjaklaikha, Kok Shana Thangai Hastini montriokra Professor Dr. Manik Saha Sakha, Jora Jorawa Obohai Workshop Rok Khainani Belaikhe Nangkogo, Teo Workshop Samoksha Tangnai Rokni Patimungo Majra Ganang Mamlarogo Cherei Naithani Chubachu Mannai. Montriokra botei bosaka majra ganang mamla rokno cheri nayu police te samung hamia samoksra tangnai rokno roboromo fiaba romjakmani abo majra manmani kelaya haini bagai criminal law rokno krak khlainani bagai Mantri Bakrang Narendra Modi te Home Minister Amit Shah hakotoro lai thangjak 2024 bisini Julai talni puila salmaribo katal kaitham law fiok rimani haini bagai jesha party mugo majra ganang rogo data based te science based cherei naijaknani nango shaka hastini montriokra Professor Dr. Manik Saha tinini shalo sangtajak workshop pandawa hastini montriokra Professor Dr. Manik Saha no karibo haste Police DCP Anurag Dherkor bahaino kokna rakha bo shaka majra ganang mamla rokno cherei naina bagai kobuni tangbedigni samungbo nangkogo medical officer ni report postmortem report medical expert rokni report rok bahaino nangkogo o shalo borogno karibo o workshop pandawa juda tangbedegni tangfangrokbo koknarakmani nukjakha abai baksha hastini Chief Secretary JK Sinha bahaino koknarakha.
And in this program we have with us on dais Sri Jitendra Kumar Sinha, respected Chief Secretary, Sri Anurag ji, respected Director General of Police, Sri Abhishek Singh, Secretary Home Department, Sri Kiran Gitte, Secretary Health and PWD, Sri Sanjay Bhattacharjee, Law Secretary, Sri Brijesh Pandey, Secretary Home, Jail, and of dais senior officials of Tripura Police, officials of Health Department, lawyer, PP, APP, etc., and other officers and media friends. My greetings to all of you. At the outset, I sincerely thanks to the organizers to arrange this kind of workshop on investigation and prosecution under new criminal laws and NDPS Act. Really, it gives me immense pleasure to be part of this important workshop and I am very happy to stand before you. This workshop is the need of the hour and both timely and essential endeavor. It brings together all the key stakeholders like police, prosecution, forensic science laboratory, then prison authority, and which results the coordinated criminal justice systems. It is observed and found by all of you and all of us, and in general, police often fails to investigate crime properly, leading to contamination of the crime scene and the disappearance of evidence. Evidence collection often compromise cases. Failure to use state-of-art forensic laboratory or technology and resources diminishes the strength of evidence analysis. An arrest, sometimes we think that arrest will suffice everything, but arrest is not a conviction. Prosecutor's office always decides to halt legal proceedings against a person who has been arrested or charged with the case. The action can happen at any point of time before a trial begins and is known as prosecutorial discretion. The power allows prosecutor to manage which cases are filed and what charges are brought and when to drop them. The power is also rooted in the executive branches authorities to enforce laws. It happens sometimes, we know everybody. The courts generally do not interfere with this decision unless there is abuse of process such as discrimination. Prosecutors weigh various factors including severity of the offense, then defendant's criminal history, and the overall impact on the community, aligned with the interest of justice. A primary reason for a prosecutor to decline a case in inefficient evidences. To secure a conviction, the prosecutor must prove guilt. A lawsuit for things like medical bills and lost wages, regardless of the outcome of the criminal proceedings. So these are the common pictures. Everybody come across, common people come across, including all of us. So to strengthen the criminal laws under the visionary leadership of our Honorable Prime Minister, Sri Narendra Modi ji, and Honorable Home Minister, Sri Amit Shah ji, already my previous speakers already have mentioned, recently enacted 3 criminal laws with effect from 1st July 2024. Number 1 is Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, that is BNS. Then BNSS, that is Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita. Then Bharatiya Saksha Abhidhinam, that is BSA. These laws already my previous speakers already have discussed here at length. Even though just I am placing some points over here, new offences are also included, like terrorism, then mob lynching. It was not there previously. There is no law. And there was cry also from opposition also. They used to shout that why there is no law and like that. Then organized crime, punishment for crimes against women and children, like that. So these laws aim to replace colonial era punishments and with justice-focused approach, integrating technological advancements in police investigation and court procedure. On March 16, 2025, our respected Chief Secretary Saha already have told, there was a meeting at Guwahati under the chairmanship of Honorable Home Minister Sri Amit Shah ji to monitor the preparation and implementation of these 3 criminal laws of all the northeastern regions. We are also present there, and we had some lacuna over there. We had talked and we have been instructed by the authority. We can appreciate that how much serious by the Union Ministry for implementation of these 3 new laws. The new criminal laws mark a significant step towards creating citizen-centric, more accessible, as well as it is efficient justice system. These laws reflect a victim-friendly, technology-driven, and time-bound approach to justice delivery. A victim person may now report incidents through electronic communication without visiting a police station also. The zero FIR to be filed from anywhere, any place of the country or across the state, just without physically present in the police station and irrespective of the jurisdiction, as I already have mentioned. And victims are entitled to have a free copy of the FIR. Several times we have heard that police are not giving FIR and all these things. Now, there is no scope to avoid or to furnish the FIR copy to the victims. You have to. In case of arrest, individuals have the right to inform a person of their choice for support and assistance. Each police station must designate an officer not below the rank of ASI. Victims are to be updated on their cases every 90 days.
It is a matter of great pride and privilege to be part of this workshop. In fact, these new criminal laws were implemented from 1st July 2024, about 1 year back. और अभी ये हमारा 1 साल कंप्लीट हम लोगों ने किया है और इस 1 साल के अंदर क्या हमें समस्याएं आई, किस तरह से हम इसको फर्दर इम्प्रूव करेंगे, उस पर आज की ये वर्कशॉप में हम लोग चर्चा करेंगे और डिसीजन लेंगे कि किस तरह से जो न्यू क्रिमिनल लॉज हैं इनके इम्प्लीमेंटेशन में अगर कहीं पर कोई डिफिकल्टी आई है तो उसको कैसे दूर किया जाए। इस 1 वर्ष के इम्प्लीमेंटेशन में हमारी सभी जो क्रिमिनल जस्टिस सिस्टम की पिलर्स हैं, पुलिस जो कि इन्वेस्टिगेट करती है, प्रोसिक्यूशन जो कि एक बार इन्वेस्टिगेशन के बाद में पुलिस जब रिपोर्ट सबमिट करती है कोर्ट में तो प्रोसिक्यूशन का कार्य या उसको कोर्ट के सामने प्रस्तुत करने का कार्य प्रोसिक्यूशन का होता है। उसके बाद जुडिशरी का रोल है कि वो फाइनली अपना जजमेंट देती है और लास्ट में प्रिजन या करेक्शनल एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन, जहां पर कि अगर कन्विक्ट कोई होता है तो उसको प्रिजन में रखा जाता है, साथ ही साथ प्रिजन में नॉट ओनली दे आर डिटेन्ड देयर बट अदर करेक्टिव मेजर्स आर टेकन, जिससे कि वो लोग अपना सुधार कर सकें और फ्यूचर में इस टाइप के क्राइम ना करें। तो इसके अलावा इन्वेस्टिगेशन और ट्रायल में और कई डिपार्टमेंट्स हैं जिनका बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट रोल है। दैट इज हेल्थ डिपार्टमेंट। जितने भी हमारे मेडिकल ऑफिसर बंधु हैं, जितने भी बायोलॉजिकल एविडेंस कलेक्शन होते हैं या मेडिकल रिपोर्ट्स होती हैं या क्राइम अगेंस्ट बॉडी होते हैं, उसमें उनकी रिपोर्ट्स, पोस्टमार्टम रिपोर्ट या मेडिकल रिपोर्ट या उनका एक्सपर्ट ओपिनियन, दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। सो उनकी एक बहुत ही अहम भूमिका है प्रॉपर प्रोसिक्यूशन, ट्रायल और फाइनली कन्विक्शन में। तो आज हेल्थ डिपार्टमेंट से भी उनके रिप्रेजेंटेटिव इंक्लूडिंग सेक्रेटरी महोदय यहाँ पर प्रेजेंट हैं, तो हम हेल्थ डिपार्टमेंट के प्रतिनिधियों से भी आज डिस्कशन करेंगे और जो लेटेस्ट प्रोविजंस हैं उसके ऊपर भी हमारा डिस्कशन होगा। इसके अलावा एफएसएल जो फोरेंसिक साइंस लेबोरेटरी है उसका और भी महत्वपूर्ण योगदान हो जाता है, क्योंकि लेटेस्ट जो क्रिमिनल लॉज हैं उसमें एक्सपर्ट ओपिनियन को बहुत अधिक महत्व दिया गया है। इनफैक्ट जो क्राइम्स में 7 years एंड अबव पनिशमेंट होता है उसमें फोरेंसिक एक्सपर्ट की विजिट सीन ऑफ क्राइम पे मैंडेटरी है। साथ ही साथ हमारा भी त्रिपुरा के अंदर कोशिश ये है कि अधिक से अधिक फोरेंसिक और साइंटिफिक एविडेंस पे हमारी इन्वेस्टिगेशन बेस हो, जिससे कि हमारा कन्विक्शन रेट अच्छा हो और जो विक्टिम है उनको जस्टिस मिल सके। 1 साल पहले भारत सरकार और त्रिपुरा में माननीय मुख्यमंत्री महोदय के नेतृत्व में ये न्यू क्रिमिनल लॉज इंप्लीमेंट हुए थे और जैसा कि आप सभी जानते हैं कि इनका मुख्य उद्देश्य जो है विक्टिम को रिलीफ देना है, विक्टिम सेंट्रिक है। जो विक्टिम है जो कि सफर किया है उसको किस तरह से अच्छा और टाइमली जस्टिस मिल सके, वो एक प्रयास है इन क्रिमिनल लॉज के थ्रू। और इसमें जरूरी है कि ट्रांसपेरेंट, स्विफ्ट इन्वेस्टिगेशन हो, साथ ही साथ में प्रॉपर प्रोसिक्यूशन हो और फाइनली जजमेंट भी जल्द गति से है।